Okay, thanks for tuning in. If you're vegan, I'm on your side. You know, all the research is proving that eating animal products is really bad for human health and also for the environment. That being said, we do have to refine the ingredients list that you're using because a lot of more research has been done since the word vegan came out in 1944, and some of the things that vegans do eat are also harmful. So I'm showing you my recipe here called Power Dough, and it's a core recipe, meaning that you can use it in other recipes. For example, in a smoothie, in a stir fry, in a bread. The two primary ingredients are quinoa and chia. They're both complete plant proteins and known as superfoods. And the growing of these crops is rehabilitative to the environment. So this is really cutting edge stuff. If you're into health, if you're into the environment, as a vegan, you care. But did you know that grains, beans, potatoes, corn, bananas, these things, they're not good for the environment. It's responsible for not only clear cutting forests, but then the actual growing of these crops is destructive to the soil. And you can look that up further if you're interested. I'm not going to get into it right now, but I get my information from Dr. Jubb. That's David Jubb. He's on Facebook and YouTube and stuff. And his research into the blood here using phase contrast microscopes, it showed that after people eat, the blood, which is supposed to be discrete like the previous picture, meaning the edges of the cells can't touch each other because of the electric charge. When somebody eats things like, for example, the banana here, the body loses its electrical charge. You literally have less life force. And if you look at the banana crop, the plant itself, you can see why, because that thing can't even grow by itself. It has to actually be attached onto another plant. And that weakness is transferred to you if you eat it. So vote for quinoa. Right there was a quinoa harvest, and here's the chia flower. When you're voting for these crops, you're really promoting a florification of the intestinal tract and of the planet. It's a really beautiful relationship that what's healthy for us is healthy for the environment. And I believe it's inevitable that we're all going to get to the same conclusion, and menu. And why not? If we're all one family, as we are, one human family, we're all eating at the same table. you know? But we could be at a restaurant and there's different things on the menu, and that's okay. But we're certainly not going to let somebody poison the bowl that we're all eating out of, you know? We're not going to let anybody put any animal products in the thing. And we're going to get rid of all the grains and the beans and all these other crops that do no good. But if you have a recipe you want me to translate, you can message me here. Go to lifefoodcertified.com. There's an ingredients list and all my contact information.